after that test run with the Bel Air gasser, I thought I'd get on YouTube. I'll get on eBay and have a quick look and see what's around. Holy moly, they're expensive. Look at this set here, 180 bucks for two. Unbelievable. See if this camera can pick that up. 25 bucks. Where's this one? Look at this. $150. Look at this next lot. 200. I mean, out of control. 17.50. $250. Look at that. I don't even know if that's Hot Wheels. And so there's sort of my version. 20 bucks. Not too sure if that's Australian or it's coming out of the States. Look, that's reasonable, $6. So, you know, if you're desperate, $6, but then you've got to get postage, so you're looking at about $10, I'd say. There's another one for 17. What else we got? There you go, there's one for $6.95. Let's have a quick look at that. It's going to load. Nice looking truck. Nice looking truck. Where's that coming from? Okay, that's Australian. So, you know, you're looking at about $10, as I say, to get it. So let's say I wanted a set of 8 to race. I've already got one, so it's going to cost me, you know, another $70. That's if even I can find them. Here you go. $6. He looked like the same as the other one. And that's it. And there's not many around. So, what's this one? $15. I think they might have rubber wheels, yeah. Because that's out of the real riders. No good to us. I'd say these ones with the short cards. And then see if I can have a look at the wheels. Oh, can't get at it. Yeah, I think they're the plastic wheels. Oh, dearie me. So, unless I can find, here you go, $4. You see that? For postage, $8.30. And that's out of Australia, so that's 8, there's 12, forget it. Oh, well, the dream of having a gasser race is probably gone. What about this one here? See, $9 postage, that's out of Australia. Can I see if I can look at the wheels? You can't look at the wheels. I'd say it being a real rider's, that this would be rubber wheels. So there you go. Let's have a look at these two. 180 bucks. I mean, you'd really want to be desperate and collect these things. Yeah, anyway. There you go. You never know. I might be able to source some more out of Kmart or Big W or Target. So there you go. Catch ya.